See these rivets? They're sheared clean off.
Right, and this wing fracture looks like impact stress.
Exactly. Let's check the fuselage for more clues.
Good idea. I'll log this on the laptop.
Okay, that bolt is tight. Good. Let's check the gear alignment. Right. Engaging the lever now. Looks good. No unusual play. Okay, let's tighten the casing bolts. Agreed. Okay, go slow. Clockwise. Got it. Turning now. Good. Keep the pressure steady. Almost there. One more turn. Hand me that bundle, the red and blue ones.
Here you go. Be careful with the shielding.
Got it. Now for the connector.
Check the gauge readings after. All right, crane's clear. Ready to lower.
Roger that. Fuselage is secure. It's good. Go for it. Lowering now. Watch the alignment. Careful with that prop. Let's get this cowling secured. Wing checks out. No damage. Good. Double check the connections. Props clear. Ready for a test? All right, she's secure on this side, ready to hoist. Copy that. Engaging the crane now. Watch the alignment. Alignment is good. Lift steady and slow. Up she goes, holding at 2 feet. All right, ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, ah! Steady, keep it level. It's in, secure it. Calibrating the altitude sensors now. Copy that. Seat restraints are secure. Good. Check the thruster interlocks. Interlocks green. Ready for sequence. Harness is secure. Panel alignment looks good. On 3. Ready. Ready here. 1, 2, 3. Locked in. Hydraulics look good. Checking the pins. Extending the flap for a motion check. Flap movement is smooth. No issues. Pre-flight checks complete. Systems are nominal. Requesting clearance for takeoff. Clearance received. We are rolling. Thrust set. V1 rotate. Cleared for takeoff. Throttles advancing. V1, rotate. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 32 left. Thrust, engine stable. V1, rotate.